Is that a weave? Is that your real hair?
Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's good, y'all? So today I am back and we're gonna do what turned into a jam session while I was recording this video. But before we get into the actual jam session, I'm going to tell you guys a little about this hair. But before I say that, let me say that well, that was a lot to say that. But let me say that this hair was originally inspired by Ari. Y'all know who she is, the real Kyle's sister, and it was her Valentine's Day hair. The pretty red hair she had with the waves. So shout out to her and Tay, because this is where I got the idea. But today I'm going to be using my bedhead waver, I think is what it's called. It'll show up on the screen soon. But this hair that I have on is actually a straight wig from ISEE hair, and it is 22 inches. And I just went ahead and bleached the entire wig and then watercolored it with some Adore red hair colors. I mixed like a couple red colors and just dipped it in, and this is what I ended up with. The hair actually turned out really well, really bright. I didn't only bleach it to like a honey blonde and dipped it that way. It did take the color very well, and the hair was still very soft, and it's still very lightweight, no type of damage or anything like that. Like, it held up really well. But yeah, that's basically all of the hair info. If I have anything else to tell you guys about the hair, all the links and all that stuff will also be in the description box. Now let's get into this jam session, okay?
You would never need another lover. Cause you a MILF and I'm a motherfucker. Told you get a drama song, not a drama coming. I'm pour up a pumping all on your stomach, yeah. Tonight I see some super freaky hoes that could go from being a stripper to a super CEO. I don't know the way you do it, but you do it to me, though.
Hey, don't play with me, play with your bitch. Let's go. Don't play with me, don't do that. Play with your bitch. Young nigga on some multi-million-dollar shit. Fur coat, half a million worth of ice on.
Believe in yourself, yeah. Whoever believe in you, whoever believe in you, whoever believe in you, believe in yourself. That's really none of your business, unless you wanna get in this. Rolls Royce, bitch. Yeah, the doors are that way. The doors go that way. Rolls Royce, bitch. Yeah, the doors are that way. The doors go that way. What? Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch. Hey, get it. Run it back. Hey, stop smoking black and miles with your country ass. You got shit around your mouth with your crusty ass. You need to go and take a bath with your mustache. You need to scrub between your ass with your dusty ass. Bitch, your house got roaches, I ain't going, bitch, I can't. Heard the whole hood hit you from the back. I heard the hood ran a train on your track. I heard your daughter. Flow sick like me. Heard how I rap, wanna spit like me. Now all of these hoes wanna pimp like me. None of these hoes, none of these hoes, none of these hoes, not now one of these hoes. Even come close cause they gross like I wrote it from my chest. From the back of my throat. Saying that you body when you ain't. Put you in the field, you'll faint. Every pot ass bitch, easy bait. I bet you raw dogging with a lame. Fuck what you heard, what you know. I never been scared of a hoe. I'm looking for you, bitch, lay low. Oh, hoes wanna go toe to toe. Bitch, fuck pretty please. I want you to come say something to me. I really been itching to go the fuck off. How with this Giuseppe Hill in your mouth? Bitch, it is Hannah Montana. Snatch off your wig like you Hannah Montana. Bitch, I will put you to sleep, no pajamas. I will flip out in this bitch like a sandal. Hey, yeah. Walk like this, talk like this, look like this. You would never. Been red bone from the south, round, hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella. They show how they turn the niggas into zombies, make them dance like Thriller. Yeah, look bitch, I know a sexy motherfucker like myself might offend some. Bitch, I'm the shit and then some. This ain't no motherfucking race cause I been one. And if you don't like it, tune the fuck out. If you must like it, cause you tune the fuck in. I got your boyfriend for head on my tummy. Turn your bitch into a thigh like she ducky. If I ever let him eat it, he lucky. Don't want your nigga, but he wanna fuck me. I'ma wake up and go get me some money. He gon' wake up and give me sucky. These bitches scary, they chicken Kentucky. Bitch, I'm from Texas, you know we bucking. Works like a blade, every beat I be cutting. Drawing an M on this little T McLovin. Bitch, I'm a 10 like I landed and stuck it. If you don't like me, little bitch, you can suck it. All of my haters is crabs in the
These hoes don't know what life about. If money talk, then when the bitch converse, she type it out. That nigga can't get no cash, he just swipe it out. My generation going downhill is wiping out. Meanwhile, I'm turned as fuck. I left my pizza in the oven, that bitch burnt as fuck. A lot of cheese to go around, bitch, I can turn you up. A lot of these little bitches cool, but they be weak as fuck. Time to sweep it up, you need as fuck. My way, or the highway. My way, or the highway. My way, or the driveway. My way, come on, bitch.
I got big rocks jumping at my brain like petty watch. Ice, baby, I got a whole lot. Nigga, you's a nobody. You ain't got nobody. See, nigga, they know about it. These niggas know about me. Step up on the scene, diamond bling, these hoes scream. Check a boy, Louis V. I'm so fresh and so clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans. Slap them 30s in them things. These a little more blind, man. Hey, Payne, I want you to tell me about your shorty, homie. And I'm telling about mine, dog. Even though I'm not too many, by my girl, I'ma call you my shorty. And we ain't did nothing that we ain't supposed to do, 'cause you're mine.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one, ain't nothing to it. Nothing. Boss.
work with me, just to make them pretend they on my level. That shit is working to me. To the end, voices separate the men from the boys. So we're here, we measure success. Now how many people success to match to you? Here we say you broke, and everybody gets broke except for you.
Pull up on that bitch and put them hands on her. If she keep capping, then I'm laying on her.
Mine, I put it, it's mine. 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 I put it.